Philippine ID, okay?
Last one. Now we are going to open this, and I have scissors right here. This is kid scissors. As always, I adult for scissors.
Yes, we're going to open this box, and I know already what is inside, but I forgot the name. But ito ay yung pang pang ganyan ng lamok.
And let's open the
It's
box.
to catch the flies.
Okay.
But it's a modern one.
Let's open it.
Let's open
I
it.
know.
Careful.
I am an expert.
Oo, modern na ngayon. Alam nyo naman, puro high-tech ngayon, no?
Yeah!
Kaya, ito daw ay bagong labas. So,
Mommy, I am an expert.
actually, dumating to last week pa. Pero busy kasi ako, so hindi ko na unbox.
I am an expert of this.
But be careful, maybe you can break something.
Hey, I can do it by myself. Yeah. Hey, I can do it by myself. Hey, maybe I need this.
Careful with your hand. Ayan! Ito na,
I
malapit
want
na.
to open. Oh, this. Mommy.
There's another one. Careful.
Oh, Mommy, look how squishy it is.
Mhm. Ito pala makikita yung pangalan dito.
The other side? The other
Yeah,
side.
one more.
Hey, you
Or
know what?
maybe here, it's better here.
Hey, don't break it.
Yeah, but here.
Mommy, why are you breaking?
It's okay. Just cut here.
Why is okay me break this?
It's easy to open here. Okay,
Wait.
jaran! Dan.
For now,
This is it's a mosquito repellent lamp. Ayan. Ito yata ay, open it more.
for now you break.
Oh
But
no!
standard, this is not important,
Duh.
okay?
But I want to play with it.
You want to play with it?
For now it's broken.
Then it's not, bro. But why do you want to play with it? You crazy or what? We have a lot of this there. I will give you, okay? I'll give you a big one of this there, okay? So let's throw this. Let's continue unboxing this.
I can unbox
This is
it.
a water repellent lamp, okay? Here. Careful, eh? Here, only
It's
this.
waterproof.
Waterproof? No, why you
Guys, you said it's a water.
I said water,
Mommy, watch
mosquito
out for your
repellent.
fingers. Now my turn. No, don't rest it.
Go here because they cannot see you in camera. One more. No, you don't need to open there. You need to open here.
I will do it.
Do it.
No!
Oh, it's getting cold here outside.
It's not that cold.
Alam nyo ba, sa lahat ng ayaw ko, nag-unboxing, nasisira yung ito ko. Ito na naman, nasisira pagka nag-unboxing ako. So, ayan, first, we're going to see, look,
The baby starter.
baby charger or cable. Okay.
Maybe I can cut it.
No, this is other, oh.
Play.
Look at this, and, oh, wait, it's only one part here.
Actually, the boy is
Smart photosensitive light. Okay. Sander, come here. Give me the scissors.
No.
Cannot open. Okay.
Oh, that's for
So, ito siya. Ayan daw yung
Yes,
pinaka-latest na mosquito repellent lamp. Ayan, very modern siya. Meron siyang mosquito lamp, smart photosensitive light. Tapos may safety lock daw. Safety lock, ayan o, may safety lock na hindi ito makukuha yan. Alam nyo kasi natatanggal kasi to. Teka ha. Ay. Hala, hindi ko siya matanggal. Teka lang ha. Ayun. Ito ay pwedeng tanggalin. Halimbawa, ito ay ilalagay mo lang siya sa isang table, no? Ayan na ganyan. Halimbawa, yung pag nakalagay niyan lang siya, nakakatch niya yung lahat ng flies, pupunta dyan. Ayan. Tapos, pwede ko rin naman siya kuhain. Magkakatch ako. Chung, 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 chung. Ayan, ganyan daw. Chung! Tapos, ewan ko kung ano yung pindutan nito. May pindutan eh. Ayun, may light. Ayan, ayan. Parang pag pinindot mo to, tingnan nyo, oh. Pag pinindot mo to, parang nagkakailaw siya. So, ito ay parang katulad ng isa namin na pang-catch. Parang nasusunog kapag ka nadikit dyan yung flies. Pag pinindot ko to, malilit yun. Ayan. Malilit yun siya kapag ka dumikit siya dito. So, ayan. Tapos, ang hindi ko lang alam kung ano ang kaibahan nito sa iba. Kasi sabi, very modern daw ito. So, hindi ko alam ha kung ano pa ang kaibahan nito. Wala naman na siyang ibang parts, kundi ito lang. So, ayan. Balik ko ha. Tapos, balik ko dito. Ito siya. Meron siya ditong lock. Ito yung lock. Yung ilalak mo, tapos yung open mo. Tapos, ba't ganun? Parang lock open lang siya. Ganun. Parang pag tina-turn mo siya, nakalock siya, hindi siya makuha. Pero pag ayan, makukuha siya. So, siguro useful ito sa mga bata, ilock mo, no? Ayan, hindi makuha ng mga bata. Pero, ewan ko lang ha, kung i-touch ng bata ito, paano na? Ewan ko lang. Paano yan? So, ito lang pala yan. Akala ko may ibang parts pa. Titingnan ko sa internet or sa kung paano mag-work ito or sa ibang video, no? Tingnan natin. So, ayan. Akala ko naman i-connect din to sa wifi. Akala ko may apps na naman. So, basahin natin, ha? Meron siyang please use 5V power adapter to avoid damaging in the device. This device has a strong power usage of electricity when in operation. Uy, malakas pala sa kuryente.
Oh no!
Do not touch the repellent grid to avoid any mishap. Avoid staring intently at the purple color, lighting the mosquito light for long duration. Pag daw ito nakasindi ha, huwag kang tititig, no, sa may light kasi ano yan. Hindi yata maganda sa mata yan. When cleaning up device, do not put switch on the device to avoid any danger. Of course, no, mainit yan, no. Pag kinlinis mo, kailangan patay. Keep this device of the reach of children. Paano ilalagay sa table? Kasi ang model nito nakalagay sa table lang eh. Kung ano, ayan. Do not directly wash the product with water or liquids to avoid damage to the device which contains electrical components. Nawala na sa aking +1. Hindi niya kasi nagustuhan itong in-unbox. Alam mo naman, mga bata, hindi interesado sa mga ganitong bagay, no? Yeah! So, yan lang pala yan, i-charge. Bakit may charge? Oo, tama. I-charge siya kasi nga para may kuryente, no? Kasi may kuryente nga na nagiinit. Ayan. When the power is connected to charge the mosquito repellent lamp, red color will be displayed, of course, no? On the charging indicator. Green color on the charging indicator indicates the device is fully charged. Normal na yan kapag green is fully charged na. To unlock the water of the mosquito repellent, hold on to the handle. Ayan yung katulad ng pinakita ko sa inyo. Ganun daw yun. Connect the device to power supply in USB cable. Nasaan na yung cable? Parang kinuha ni +1. Alexander! Naku, yung tinakbo na yung charger. Baka mawala. Lokong bata talaga yan. So, ayan. Indicator light switch. Manual charging. So, ito yun. Akala ko talaga, ini-expect ko, apps na naman. Pero yan na yun. Ayan. Teka, tawagin ko si Sander kasi yung, tinakbo na yung charger. Baka iniwan niya dito. Ayan. Ito na yung aming bagong mosquito repellent lamp. Ayan. Ang dami kasing flies dito, no? At saka ang daming, parang, hindi naman siya lamok. Lamok din siguro yan. Kahit ang lamok. Basta may mga flies dito na ang sakit-sakit mga agat. Pero normally, ang mga kinakagat ay yung mga mapuputi. Ayan. Yung mga mapuputi ang balat. Kasi ako hindi naman ako madalas kagatin eh. Si Sander lang ang madalas kagatin. At saka yung isa dito. So, silang dalawa. So, alam nyo naman, marami kaming puno rito sa paligid. Kaya ang mga lamok o flies ay talagang medyo madami din. Kaya laging nakasara yung aming mga pinto. At kung nakabukas man yung pinto namin, yun nga, kailangan may mga ganito kami. Meron na kaming dalawa at saka meron na kami yung manual. Pero parang kulang pa rin. So ayan, at saka ito daw kasi yung latest. So ito yung Xiaomi Mosquito Repellent Lamp. Ayan, ayan. O ayan, kung marami kayong lamok dyan o mga nagliliparan dyan para alagaan ang skin nyo, bumili na kayo nito. Ibababa ko sa description box kung saan kayo pwedeng bumili nito. So ito muna yung vlog natin sa ngayon. At kita-kita tayo sa susunod na video ko. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!